Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Most people assume you need fancy machines, racks of weights, and a gym keycard to build real muscle. But that belief couldn't be further from the truth. In prisons across America, men with zero equipment and barely enough room to stretch are packing on more muscle than many people who train at commercial gyms. How? By using nothing but their own body weight, grit, and a level of intensity most gym-goers never tap into. The 6 movements you're about to learn create massive muscle stimulation simply through volume, control, and effort. I'll walk you through how each exercise works, why it challenges your body differently than weights, and how to combine them into a routine that reshapes your physique in a matter of weeks, not long, drawn-out months. The prison burpee, full body power. This isn't the quick, sloppy burpee you see in group classes. This is a deliberate, full body muscle builder that leaves nothing untouched. Start tall. Drop into a deep squat. Kick your feet back into a plank. Lower into a complete push-up, chest all the way to the floor. Return to your squat. Then launch upward with a powerful jump. What makes this version different is the control. Prisoners don't race through the movement. They slow down the descent, pause at the bottom, and explode upward with intention. That slow fast contrast creates serious time under tension and fires up your chest, shoulders, arms, core, glutes, and legs all at once. Most people do burpees wrong. They bounce off the floor, barely squat, and crash land their jumps. Every shortcut removes the tension that actually builds muscle. Instead, every representative should feel like you're pushing against gravity on the way down and dominating it on the way up. Begin with 3 sets of 5 clean reps. Once you can hit 15 without breaking form, add a pause at the bottom of your squat. Eventually, you can progress to more complex variations, like adding push-ups at the top of the jump or doing the entire movement on one leg. The progression never truly ends, and that's exactly why the gains keep coming. Track your time for 20 perfect burpees. As that time drops, your strength is climbing. Diamond push UPS, tricep and shoulder destroyer. Place your hands beneath your chest so your thumbs and index fingers create a diamond. Your body forms a straight line. Your core locks in. Your glutes tighten to keep everything stable. This hand alignment shifts emphasis from your chest to your triceps while still hammering your shoulders in midsection. Unlike the bench press, nothing supports you. Your body has to stabilize itself the entire time, increasing muscle activation through your shoulders, core, and back. Lower until your chest nearly touches your hands. Drive back up. Keep your elbows tucked, not flared, to protect your shoulders and maintain pure tricep tension. If a full diamond push-up feels out of reach, start on your knees or elevate your hands. Build your way up to the real thing. Aim for 3 sets of 12 slow, perfect reps. When you reach 20 clean reps in a row, your upper body strength has hit another level. Pike push UPS, bodyweight shoulder press. Set your feet hip width apart, hinge forward, and place your hands on the floor so your body forms an upside-down V. Think yoga downward dog, but more forward-loaded. Walk your hands a little closer to your feet until you feel most of your weight shift onto your arms. Now your shoulders are carrying your body weight, and this is where the magic happens. Bend your elbows and lower the top of your head toward the ground. Press back up while keeping your core braced. This movement trains the shoulders more intensely than many overhead presses because you're not sitting or supported. Your body must balance and stabilize through every inch. Start with 3 sets of 8. When 15 reps feel easy, move your hands closer to your feet or elevate your legs to make the angle more aggressive. Eventually, this progression becomes a handstand push-up, bodyweight rows, back builder with no machines. Find something sturdy you can pull yourself under, a table edge, a low bar, a playground rail. Lie beneath it and grab overhand, slightly wider than your shoulders. Your body stays straight from head to heels. Only your feet touch the ground. Pull your chest toward the bar by squeezing your shoulder blades together. Picture pulling the bar down toward you, not pulling yourself up. This cue activates your back muscles more effectively. Control the lowering phase. Fight gravity all the way down. Most of the muscle building benefit lies in the eccentric portion. Change difficulty by adjusting your angle. More upright equals easier. More horizontal equals harder. Feet elevated equals advanced. Shoot for 3 sets of 10. If you can nail 20 perfectly horizontal reps, your back strength is exceptional. Jump squats, explosive leg muscle. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a deep, controlled squat. Drive upward and jump as high as you can, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly, absorb the impact, and immediately sink into the next squat. No long pauses, just smooth, continuous movement. The combination of deep squatting plus explosive jumping recruits fast twitch fibers you rarely hit in normal gym squats or machine work. It builds athletic, powerful legs that actually perform in real life, not just look good. Start with 3 sets of 12. Once you reach 25 clean jump squats, try single leg versions or add a pause at the bottom before exploding up. Mountain climbers, the core you can't cheat. Begin in a rock-solid plank, hands under shoulders, core braced, glutes tight. Drive one knee forward, switch legs. Keep the movement controlled and rhythmic, like you're running in place without letting your hips bounce. Done correctly, mountain climbers torch your core far more effectively than crunches because your abs must stabilize your entire body while your legs move. That full body tension is what builds real functional strength. Start with 3 sets of 20 total reps. When you can hit 60 with perfect form, increase your pace or try cross-body variations. The complete prison-style circuit. Perform 1 set of each exercise back-to-back. Prison burpees, diamond push-ups, pike push-ups, bodyweight rows, jump squats, mountain climbers. Rest 30 seconds between moves. Complete the full circuit 3 times a week. Week-by-week structure. Week 1, learn the movements and finish the circuit 3 times. Week 2, add 5 reps to each exercise. Week 3, drop your rest periods to 15 seconds. Week 4, add a 4th round to each workout. Use 2 markers to measure progress. Rep density, how many clean reps you get in one circuit. Recovery time, how quickly your breathing returns to normal after finishing. If your breathing settles within 2 minutes, you're training at the right level. These 6 movements can replace an entire gym if you bring the same intensity that inmates rely on every day. Start with 1 full circuit today. Record your time and reps. That's your baseline. Train consistently, increase difficulty gradually, and watch your strength, muscle, and endurance climb. Subscribe for more no-equipment training methods that build real, functional strength. No excuses, no fancy gear needed.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.